right here at this restaurant, waiting for them to open. The customer said they got a, supposedly if it's right, they said a 4-door glass reach-in cooler. We'll see. Let's see if they're here. I'll start you up once we get in front of the cooler. All right. Hello. How are you? Hello. Just to check the cooler? Yeah. Okay.
This one.
Oh, this one. Okay. It's at 68 degrees. I can't really reach back there. Let's see. I'm gonna get a this ice on the evaporator where the capillary tube meters the refrigerant in is freezing right there. So it's either going to be low in gas or a restriction. But there's no, we're going to let that run so it defrost. I'm going to go ahead and get my leak detector, run the leak detector across it before I gauge up. It's capped off, so if anything I might have to put gauge ports and go from there. Let's see. Alright, let me get the stuff. Let me get my leak detector and I'll start you back up, which is pretty common. Looks like I got the H10 out. Looks like it's leaking in the down in the drain loop. gauge port. I'm gonna put a new filter dryer. I can't really videotape inside too much because the head chef is watching me, but I'll show you once I have it all done. So I'm gonna put a new cap T filter dryer. Already has a gauge port. So I bent this up. This is really like 5/16 copper. I made it out of 3/8 because that's what I had on the truck, but it pretty much lines up exactly. So now I just gotta straighten this out like that. Straighten them out. It's actually, as you can see, it's the same size. It's just a little bit. The copper tubing itself is a little bit bigger, so it'll work. I'll just put like an ounce or two more refrigerant in the system, but just trying to show you. But I'll show you once I have it all together, because like I say, the guy's inside watching. Oh, I thought it was recording, but I guess not. But got a little JB weld on the outside, and we have a little bit on the inside. So this JB weld stuff comes in handy in situations like that. The condenser coil. You see the light going through. You see the light going through the condenser coil. Filter dryer. Clean out the pan, and we put a new drain, and we put the power cord on the rubber sleeve so it don't burn through. So yeah, and now it's at 55 degrees, so it's cooling down. I just got to put the front cover back on. So yeah, like and comment, leave a comment below. You know, I like interacting with the subscribers. Any questions you have, you know, I can't answer every question, but if I could, I'll answer it with the best, you know, the best answer possible that I can give.